Hello student, welcome back to the lecture number 3 on random variable. So coming to the fourth question, a random variable capital X has the following probability distribution: x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and probabilities are 0, k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square and 7k square plus k. Number 1, determine k. Number 2, if p of x is less than or equal to k greater than 1 by 2, comma, find the minimum value of k. Number 3, variance. And number 4, number 3, mean. Number 4, variance. Right, let me solve a given question. Okay, see, I think I discussed in the last question, when he want to find a value of k or some value of a, then we have to take the help of second property. Yes or no? So what is the second property of discrete random variable? Tell me. And we seen in the last question, that is summation p of x equal to 1. Yes or no? So I'm taking the same help now. Solution, I'll go with a different ink. Okay, so we know that summation p of x equal to 1, and this is the second property. Yes or no? Second property of discrete random variable, scenes part, right? So which is nothing but we have to add the probabilities, and which is equal to 1. 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k, it is equal to 1. Now add these all the values: 1, 3, 5, 8 and 9. So getting 9k. Now add k square values: 1k square, 3k square, 10k square, 10k square plus 9k, it is equal to 1. Okay, now this one I'm sending it to LHS, so it will become 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equal to 0. See, I got a quadratic equation in k variable. Yes or no? So I'm finding a roots. So I think you all know how to find a roots. Okay, so 10 ones are 10, I need a 9. So what I'm doing, 10k square plus, in this place I'm writing 10k minus k and minus 1 equal to 0. Then taking 10k is common, so I'll get it k plus 1. So from these two, taking minus 1 is common, so k plus 1 equal to 0 I'm getting. So now k plus 1 into 10k minus 1 equal to 0. So I can say here k plus 1 equal to 0, and I can say 10k minus 1 equal to 0. So what is happening now? K plus 1 equal to 0, so it is nothing but k equal to minus 1. So from the second one, k equal to, this minus 1 I'm sending it to RHS, it will become plus 1, right? So I can write it as 1 by 10. See, I got two k values. One is minus 1 and one more is 1 by 10, right? So, but coming to the previous question, I'll show you once. Yes, here I got only 1k, and which having positive sign, yes or no? But coming to the present question, one of k value containing minus 1 and one more k value containing plus. Okay, right. So which is a perfect solution for this question? Tell me. See, if I'm substituting k value minus 1 in these probabilities, I won't get, I won't satisfy the first property of discrete random variable because k value minus 1. If I'm substituting this value in this probability, then it can be satisfies p of x greater than or equal to 0. This will not be satisfied when I'm substituting k equal to minus 1. This will be satisfied when k equal to 1 by 10. I will substitute in the probability. So what I'm doing now, I'm considering k equal to as I'm considering k equal to as 1 by 10. Okay, so therefore k equal to 1 by 10 is the correct answer. What is the reason to correct answer? Since p of x is greater than or equal to 0. See, I'll show you once the probabilities which we having. See, this is the first probability, first condition in the discrete random variable. Yes or no? P of x greater than or equal to 0. It should be satisfies, and this is also satisfies, right? Okay. So k equal to 1 by 10, I got it. Okay, this is the first question. Now coming to the second question. If p of x less than or equal to k, then which of result is greater than 1 by 2? Here he asking that at what value of k, at what value of k probability become greater than 1 by 2, that is he asking. Okay, right. So what I'm doing, in the place of k, I'm substituting first 0, later I will substitute 1, and then I'll substitute 2 and 3, later 4, and after 5, and after that 6, and at last I will substitute 7. Okay, right. So we'll see the solution now. So at x equal to, at k equal to 0, if I substitute, what will be happen? Let's see. P of x less than or equal to 0. So what are the values for x here? X less than or equal to 0 in the sense only is 0, it will be considered. Yes or no? Right. So what is the probability for at x equal to 0? I'm having in the table 0 only. Yes or no? See, then the result at k equal to 0 is 0. Probability of x less than or equal to 0 is 0. So it is nothing but, can I say this result does not exceeded more than 1 by 2? Yes. So now we'll substitute in the place of k as 1 now. Okay, here I'm substituting 1 now, and I will identify later is my probability is exceeded 1 by 2 or not. Okay, right. So it is nothing but, what are the values for x? Tell me. X equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So at x equal to 0, what I'm having probability? 0. Plus at x equal to 1, what is the probability I'm having? K, right? So we'll substitute now here. So then by adding 0 plus k, I'll get it k. So what is the value of k in my question? 1 by 10. 1 by 10 in the sense, can I say 0 0.1? Right. So my value of 0 0.1, right? So I'm going to the next page. So here I got p of x less than or equal to 1, value 0 0.1. I got the value. Yes. So can I say which is also does not greater than 1 by 2? Yes. So I'm substituting now in the place of k, previously substituted 0 and 1 substituted 1. Now I'm substituting in the place of k 2. Okay, then I will identify whether my probability is exceeded 1 by 2 or not. Okay, now, right. So p of x less than or equal to 2, I'm substituting. So what are the values for x? One is 0 and one is 1, and next p of x equal to 2. So at x equal to 0, what is the probability I'm having in the table? 0. At x equal to 1, probability k. At x equal to 2, what probability I'm having? Well, will I see 2k I'm having. Yes. So 2k. So by adding these, I'm getting 3k. What is the value of k I'm having? 0.1. So by multiplying, I'm getting the result 0.3. So which is nothing but p of x less than or equal to 2, answer 0.3. So again, it is not exceeded 1 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. So similarly, I substituted 0, 1, 2. Now substituting 3. So x less than or equal to is equal to p of x equal to 0 plus p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 3. Right. At x equal to 0, what is the probability I'm having? 0. At x equal to 1, k. At x equal to 2, 2k. At x equal to 3, what probability I'm having? Again 2k I'm having. Yes or no? Right. So 2k. So add this all, 3 to 5k I'm getting. So what is the value of k? 0.1. It will become 0.5. See, this is the result of at k equal to 3, 0.5. Will you say this is exceeded 1 by 2? Tell me. No, right? It is not greater than 1 by 2. It is 0.5. I mean, it is equal to. So again, at k equal to 3 is also condition is fail. So I'm substituting k equal to 4. Okay. So what is mean by x less than or equal to 4? P of x equal to 0 plus p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 3 plus p of x equal to 4. So at x equal to 0, 0 is a probability. At 1, k. At 2, 2k. At 3, again 2k. At 4, what I'm having? Tell me. 3k I'm having, right? So 3k I will substitute here. So which is nothing but 3, 5, 8k. So k value is 0.1. So become 0.8. So which is nothing but this is exceeded 1 by 2. Yes or no? So which is nothing but at k equal to 4, I got more than 1 by 2. What is asking in my question? Tell me. Read it once again. If k p of x less than or equal to k greater than 1 by 2, find the minimum value of k. So at what value I'm getting more than 1 by 2? At k equal to 4, right? So what can I write here? Hence at k equal to 4, at k equal to 4, we are getting probability is greater than 1 by 2. I mean, this is the minimum value of k. Okay, right. So now we'll see third question. So what is the third question? Mean, and fourth question is variance. Okay, right. Mean, and which will be denoted by nu. What is the mean formula? Nu equal to, once I will show you what is the formula for mean. See, What is the formula of mean? Summation pi into xi is a formula. Yes or no? So summation pi into xi. So what is mean by this one? Pi into xi. I mean probabilities and random variables both will be multiplied. Okay now. So see here random variable x probability 0. So it is nothing but 0 into 0. Okay, 0 into 0 plus because of summation. Okay, plus next what is there in the table? 1 and k, right? So how can I write 1 into k, 1 into k plus next number in table 2 into 2k, 3 into 2k, 4 into 3k, 5 into k square, 6 into 2k square, 7 into 7k square plus k. Yes or no? So I will write these all the values. Okay. So 2 into 2k plus 3 into 2k plus 4 into 3k plus 5 into k square plus 6 into 2k square plus 7 into 7k square plus k. So by adding these all, what I'll get it? Tell me. 66k plus 66k square plus 30k I'm getting. So what is the value of k? 66 into k values are 0.1 square plus 30 into 0.1. Okay, so by finding with a calci 3.66 is the value of the mean. Okay, now we'll find last question, variance of the distribution. Okay, now variance, and which will be denoted by sigma square. Did you remember the formula for variance of discrete random variable? Shall I show you once? Yes, we'll see now. See, this is the formula. What is the formula? Summation pi into xi square minus nu square is a formula. Okay, I'm writing that formula. Summation pi into xi square minus nu square. So it is nothing but probability is multiplying with random variable square. Yes, so I can write it here. What is the first probability? 0 into what is the x value? 0, right? It have a square plus next. Similarly, uh, in the table I'm having 1, so 1 square, then 2, 2 square, 3, 3 square, 4, 4 square, 5 become 5 square, 6, 6 square, 7, 7 square, because in my formula x containing square. Okay, so 1 square into k plus 2 square into 2k plus 3 square into 2k plus 4 square into, at 4 what is the probability I'm having in the table? 3k I'm having, right? So 3k plus 5 square into k square plus 6 square into 2k square plus 7 square into 7k square plus 7k square plus k. Okay, right. So which is nothing but it will become 0 plus 1 into k plus 4 into 2k plus 9 into 2k plus 16 into 3k plus 25 into k square plus 36 into 2k square plus 49 into 7k square plus k. So now again I had to multiply these all the values inside, then by adding all the values or by multiplying and by by adding, I'm getting the solution of this 440 k square plus 120 k. See, this is the value by adding I'm getting the solution. Okay, I forgot here, in the formula I'm having minus nu square, yes or no? So what is the value of nu? I had 3.66, right? So minus 3.66 whole square minus 3.66 whole square, and here also 3.66 whole square. So what I'll do in the next step, 440 into k square, k value I got 0.1 square plus 120 into again 0.1 minus 3.66 whole square. So I will substitute these all the values in the calc, then I'm getting the solution 3.40. Okay, see, this is the solutions of, this is the variance of discrete random variable in this question. So I'm telling you now, this question is very important. Okay, this is the guessing question in the semester exam, right? Now we'll stop the lecture number 3 here. Now we'll start one more lecture, that is the last lecture for this discrete random variable. Okay,